A 1,000-mile journey. He hesitates near the only empty chair near a woman in their office canteen. She looks up and invites him to it with a big smile. "I am Ashi from accounting." "Dev, personal," he mumbles. Ashi talks about her day to break the ice. Dev nods and eats silently. As it happens, the next day also, she invites Dev to sit at her table during rush hour. "We keep meeting like this, so now you are my canteen partner," Ashi laughs. Ashi approaches him under the neem tree. "Hey, you are here? Look, a table is available. Come quickly." She rushes inside the canteen. Dev eats quietly. Looking at his resigned attitude, Ashi teases, "You don't talk much, do you?" He just shakes his head. This becomes their daily routine, her talking and him listening. "Someday I want to be my own boss," she declares one afternoon. "What would you like to do?" Dev asks. "I don't know. Something. Anything," she laughs. "It's not that easy, you know," he says sadly. "Why do you say that?" Ashi asks. He keeps looking down silently, then whispers, "I tried and failed and realized it is not for me." "Care to tell me?" she asks. For the first time in years, he wants to talk. "I loved baking, so started a small bakery in our garage after college. I had a good beginning. Customers loved my goods and came back for more. Baking was my passion, but keeping accounts and doing everything became so crushing. I began to lose confidence and customers, and I had to close eventually." And he adds, "At least there is no risk in this job." Dev shyly offers cookies to her one day, saying, "I tried this after a long time." Ashi's eyes light up as she bites into it. This is delicious," she says with her mouth full. "Now I want to try all your goodies," she laughs. He brings her cakes the next time and she exclaims, "Oh wow, this is amazing, Dev. I now know what I want to do. I want to open a bakery business. With your expertise, of course," she adds excitedly. "Please don't say that. I can never do this again," Dev whispers. "You are not alone now, Dev. Help me try this," Ashi pleads. "I will fail again and I can't take it," murmurs Dev. "Don't say that, Dev. Failure is only when we walk away without taking a step. I already took my first step and fell down," Dev mumbles. "Then this is your second chance," and she adds, "If we didn't try, we will always wonder, what if?" Ashi says gently. Dev doesn't reply, just shakes his head silently. "Imagine yourself baking again, Dev. You needn't do anything else. I have full confidence in our abilities." Dev smiles doubtfully. Ashi shows him a small shop in the busy market another day. "Don't you think this is a perfect place for our venture?" he asks eagerly. A spark of interest ignites in Dev's heart on seeing the inside of the tidy space. "Maybe we can try," he says softly, and Ashi is thrilled. first day of their business. Everything looks amazing, Dev. I'm sure we will succeed this time. Ashi gushes and Dev smiles fondly. Shall we open? She asks, and Dev nods with a smile. Yes, let's start our journey, partner. Customers line up, waiting to try their delicious goods. Dev serves them while Ashi manages the accounts. After 5 years of struggles, hard work, and persistence, Dev and Ashi opened their second store, and this was just the beginning. This is where we started, right? Shall we continue our journey together, Ashi? Yes, she nods, and both walk ahead happily. A 1,000-mile journey begins with a single step, and the courage to take that step again, even after falling, can open the doors to dreams we once thought were lost. Thank you for watching. Created and narrated by Vishwa for Mystic Signals.